Hello, today we will guide you through how to create an invoice in Square. To begin, open a web browser and sign into your Square dashboard. From the home screen, you'll see your business overview with a left-hand navigation panel. We'll start there so you're in the right place to build and send an invoice without missing anything. In the navigation panel, select Orders and Payments. This brings you into the area where you manage transactions and related documents. Next, choose Invoices to open Square's invoicing workspace. Here, you'll see any drafts or previously sent invoices, along with tools to create a new one. To start a fresh invoice, open the Invoice section and then select Create Invoice. This takes you to the Invoice Builder, where each field guides you through what's needed. At the top of the invoice, add your customer. Click Add Customer, then either search your customer directory or add a new contact with the essential details you want on the invoice. Accurate customer information ensures delivery and payment tracking work smoothly. Now enter a clear descriptive invoice title. Keep it short but specific, like a project name or service description that helps both you and your customer recognize it instantly later. If you use internal references or purchase order numbers, including them in the title or notes can make reconciliation faster and cleaner. Set the service date next. Click Service Date to open the calendar, then choose the date that best represents when the work was performed or the goods were provided. This is different from the invoice issue date and helps customers understand what the bill is for, especially when projects span multiple days. From here, follow the on-screen prompts to complete any remaining fields. Depending on your setup, you may see options to review item details, quantities, prices, taxes, or discounts. If these appear, check that totals look right and that any notes you add are simple and professional. Previewing the invoice before sending is a great way to catch typos or formatting issues. If you're not quite ready to send, saving as a draft keeps your progress so you can return and finalize later. When everything looks good, go to the top right of the screen and select Send. Square will process the invoice and make it available to your customer through the delivery method shown. After sending, you can return to the Invoices section to monitor status updates and payments. That's it. Your invoice is created and on its way.